Boondocking all year long? Heck yeah! Behind me is a nuCamp Tab 360 CS. You can see it's wintertime and I'm going camping. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Let's give it a try. So you probably have seen the favorite 360 that's recent to the market. What makes this one unique is the CS. We have a rear kitchen finally in the big teardrop body. We have a full kitchen starting with your left. You have your running water with your sink. You have your 2-burner propane stovetop. Lots of counter space to do whatever you want to do with it. Over top we have, I'm going to call it the spice rack, so you can throw some things up there. Underneath your propane stove and your sink is some cabinetry, some drawers, and to wrap it all up in the end is your cooler that slides out on a drawer so you can have your favorite beverages right at campsite. Inside the Tab 360 CS, again, the uniqueness continues inside with this floor plan that gives you kind of a very versatile setup if you're a single person going out camping. Maybe you're just going out camping by yourself and working from home, or you have 2 people that just love separate beds. This is the floor plan for you. As you can see here, we have our couch / twin bed on this side. Above me is going to be a lot of storage, the microwave. We've got our TV to the left in case we want to get some entertainment stuff going. Every little nook and cranny is optimized for storage. We have storage underneath here. We even have some drawers that pull out. And then at the head of the bed, if you will, is a really nice layout with some backlighting, accent lighting, some cabinetry overhead, plenty of little cubby spaces behind us that we can stow all our little knickknacks and mobile devices and things like that. Even at, I guess you would call it kind of your nightstand, if you will. We have a drawer with some 12-volt outlets to charge your, I was going to say propane, charge your mobile devices, and that is really cool. On the opposite side is even neater. We have, if that's a word, we have our dinette. Again, 2-person dinette that really could be used however you want to lay it down into a bed. You want to take the table off and just use it as a lounger as you're watching TV, or as, like I said, you can use it as a 2-person dinette. Ton of storage overhead. The continuation of storage behind me, once we get this laid down, you'll be able to see. And I love the fact that they use these dual pane windows. Opposite, we can control light with the shade and the night shade and the screen. We can open it up for some cross ventilation. Anyway, enough of my rambling. Super cool. I'm going to show you how you can set this up into a bed. Where the hell is the rest of the mattress? Sorry, you might have to edit that a little bit. So in the traditional Tab, up front is generally your kitchen, but this is kind of a mix since we have a full kitchen in the back. Up front is really a lot of storage area along with the refrigerator. So we have a really nice large refrigerator that we can stow a lot of stuff. But as I mentioned, ton of storage. We have our cabinet above the refrigerator. A lot of counter space to the left that we can use however you can dream up, and ton of storage at the bottom. We have a couple cabinets as well as a couple drawers to kind of finish off that space. Our bathroom on this one is going to be your traditional wet bath. I'm 6'1", so you'll see in a sec. I'm a little tall for it. So you have your toilets, you have your mirrors, you have your shower head, heck, you even have a sink behind me. So I'm probably gonna be sitting down, showering up, doing all my business in here. So that's the guts of this 360 CS, the floor plan, the rear kitchen, ton of stuff that makes this boondocking ready for any season. Solar panel, Audi system. Make sure you hit our website for all those fun details to make sure that you know that this camper is right for you. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, or more importantly, like this camper. Comment below, love to hear your questions so I can get you some answers, because again, there's tons of stuff about this little camper we didn't get a chance to cover. And everybody, show us some love, smash that subscribe button. Again, I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.